Hi everyone, this is Noor. Welcome back to my channel. This is a tutorial using the Jaclyn Hill the Vault collection with Morphe brushes, and today I really wanted to use the dark magic one, the blue one, to create something more outgoing. I have done a whole unboxing video about the Vault collection, so make sure you stay till the end of this video because it's going to be indicated there if you want to go ahead and watch it. So that is what it is. If you guys want to see how I created this look, please keep on watching. Okay you guys, let's get started. So before I go ahead and start this tutorial, just to guys let you know that I already have my face kind of done. I am awake since 5:30 in the morning and it's a Saturday and I had clients in the morning, so this is kind of like my face when I go see them at 5:30 in the morning. I don't have time to go ahead and be super glamorous when I'm doing contracts or freelancing, so this is how kind of my face looks like from this morning. I'm going to be touching it up at the end of this tutorial as well. So everything I have on my face is going to be indicated in the info box down below, so you can go ahead and check out all the products that I have down there and what's on here. So let's go ahead and start off with the eyes. So I'm gonna go ahead and start off with my Kat Von D Lock-It Tattoo Correcting Primer for your eyes, and this is in shade Fair, and I'm going to put that all over my eyelid and blend it with my finger. I'm gonna drag it a little bit up to the brow bone too, just a little bit, to have some in the crease as well. So I'm just blending that out with my fingers. Actually, the last time I checked on Sephora website, this was on sale and I was like, what? I love it. Okay, so eyelids are primed. I just added a little bit of kind of like a hydrating gloss on my lips to moisturize because they're very dry. So that is what's on my lips at the moment. But today I'm gonna go ahead and use the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill the Vault collection again. So today I'm just gonna go ahead and grab one palette, and I really want to work with the Dark Magic, which is the blue palette, this one right here. Woo! This one right here. I actually have two birthday parties that I'm going to today, and I'm wearing like an army greenish thing, and I kind of want to match. I normally don't like to match my clothes, but today I kind of feel like it, so I want to see what I can create with this. And yeah, so let's get started. So the last time you guys saw me use from this palette was in the middle right here, the brown one, and I absolutely loved it. So I'm gonna go ahead and kind of play with that color again, just to put it in my crease, because I want to have like a background color before I go ahead and do something really dark. I'm taking a big fluffy brush and I'm dipping into a little bit of that color, and I'm going to pop that in my crease. And I want to have a shimmery lid today too, so let's see what I'm gonna come up with. So let's pop this color into the crease and call it a day. So this morning I had 4 clients at 6:30 in the morning. I woke up at 5:30 by the time I get ready and get out, and their location is not really far away from where I live, so it was great. And I ended up posting 2 pictures of my clients this morning. If they're watching, hi, I had so much fun doing your makeup. Stunning girls, absolutely stunning girls. And I only took 2 pictures because the rest are kind of like more on like things that I always do on daily basis on clients, and I already kind of have pictures of those looks, but I like to take pictures of looks that are a little bit different, that has a little bit of touch. And today I was really proud of the work I did on my clients. I really hope they like it though. Obviously they looked flawless and gorgeous. I'm happy. I love doing clients on the side, you guys. It's kind of like my therapy on the weekend, literally, when I just want to kind of focus on what I really love to do and kind of, you know, enjoy every moment of it, because I enjoy putting makeup on people. I enjoy putting makeup on me. I enjoy makeup in general, and I'm trying everything I can to kind of make it my full-time thing and have it as a full-time job here on YouTube as well. Trying my best. I'm trying my best, and hopefully it works out. Okay, so the next color that is staring me in the eyes is called Potion, which is this green right here. So I'm gonna grab that green. just taking this color and kind of dragging it into the crease as well, just to have a really nice blending effect. I'm taking my big brush, just blending it all together. Really liking this look, you guys. It's absolutely stunning. I love the eyeshadows. They're like super highly pigmented and they're easy to blend. Like, it's insane. I want to go ahead and create a wing liner. I really want to have like a nice thick wing liner, so I'm gonna go ahead and create that. I'm using my Kat Von D tattoo liner in Trooper. I'll go ahead and draw it on and I'll be back to finish up the eyes with you guys. Okay, so the wing liner is on. I was struggling a little bit because my liner actually finished and I need myself a new one, so I was kind of like struggling with it, but it is finally on and I love it. I feel like I want to darken up my crease. I'm gonna go ahead and take Temptress, which is this color right here. It's like a navy kind of color, and I'm gonna grab it with a really small little brush, just a little bit, and I'm going to blend it with my liner. So I'm gonna bring it to the liner and then slowly fading it upwards. It's like a kind of like a go out kind of look. Clubbing wise, I really wanted to feel that vibe today. I mean, come on. I mean, whatever. I mean, do whatever you want, girl. Let's go ahead and do the lower lash line and grab Potion first, which is the light green color. And I'm going to pop it all over the lower lash line. Then I'm gonna go ahead and grab Inside Job, which is the darker green. It's kind of like a navy green. It's a really beautiful color. And I'm going to also pop that all over, but I'm going a bit closer to the lash line because I want to have that light green kind of fades under it. I'm gonna go ahead and grab Temptress, can't spell that color, and I'm going to pop it in the outer corners and kind of blend it with the liner together. And then I'm gonna go ahead and grab Power Cut, which is the color I applied in the middle, and I'm going to pop that into the inner corners of my eye to give a little bit more light and brightness in there. I'm gonna go ahead and pop some lashes, and these are called Lovesick from Crown Lashes, and they look like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop these on, and I'll be back to finish up the face with you guys. So the lashes are on, and I went ahead and I touched up a little bit of my face. I did the brows a little bit of contour, and just a little bit of powder. But I'm gonna do blush and highlight with you guys. If you guys are wondering what I use, is I use my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. I used all of the shades to contour, literally. And then I used my brow pencil just to kind of define. Same thing with a little bit of powder on my brows. It's gonna be in the info box for you guys. And my face powder, which is the Kat Von D one. I'm gonna go ahead and apply blush and highlight with you guys. I'm also going to be using the Becca highlight in Champagne Pop. Even though mine is broken, I still want to use it. I love how it looked on my skin last time. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab this one right here, and I want to grab something soft. So I'm gonna grab the soft peach color right here, which is called CoastLine, which is this pretty soft peach color. And I'm just gonna take it a little bit on my brush and put it on the apples of my cheeks. And I'm gonna go ahead and use my spray to set up my face. And I'm taking my Champagne Pop from Becca. This is also with Jaclyn Hill. Mine is completely shattered. If you're new to my channel, welcome. It's so shattered, it's crazy. It's like my second time buying it, and it keeps breaking. I'm grabbing a small little brush. Let's take my Sephora VIP Rouge brush to pack this color on. For lips, I'm gonna go ahead and grab this color right here. This is from Makeup Forever, and I love these. I love the texture and the the way they stay on your lips are really nice. It's actually my wedding shade. I love it. And the number for this shade is 103. And I'm going to apply that on my lips. Okay, this has a smell of my my father used to be a cosmetic manager, and there's some scents that he used to sell from his makeup smells exactly the same thing as this, so this brings me a whole lot of memory, and it's kind of like the reason why I wanted it for my wedding, because you know it kind of reminded me when my dad used to take me with him to work, and basically that's how I got into makeup. So if you guys want a video about how I got into makeup and the details and everything, you can let me know in the comments, because it's a big story. So I just wanted to share that out there in this video. Alright you guys, this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Just to guys let you know that I also added the gloss on top of my lips, and I used the Fenty Beauty gloss, and this is the Gloss Bomb, which I love. I just wanted to kind of add it on top just to kind of have a little bit of shininess on there. This is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Everything is going to be indicated in the info box down below for you guys. All the products, all the colors, and everything you want to know is in the info box down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notify button to get notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!